From an unknown name to an industry leader in pricing and location intelligence. Trusted by 130 brands across 22 countries. Did you know that PriceEasy started as a data company, WorldData.ai? The breakthrough technologies of WorldData.ai brought terabytes of disparate external data in one place, connecting the dots and making them usable. Year 2020, they added the pricing solution on top of the World Data, and that is how PriceEasy was created. This is the story of PriceEasy, your one-stop solution for pricing and location intelligence. In 2021, PriceEasy was just an idea to leverage the vast data intelligence of World Data and minimize the guesswork in pricing and make it more data-driven. With infrastructure in place, the struggle shifted. We hired talent, but lacked team stability. We built data pipelines, but couldn't connect the dots. 2022 was the year we cracked the code. We found the right people and the right technology. Accuracy became our edge, because in pricing, every decimal counts.
Pricing is no longer about blindly following competitors. With data and AI, it's getting intelligent. And I'm very, very happy to be at the forefront of pricing and AI revolution.
In 2024, we became a force in the industry. Trusted by 130 plus brands across 22 countries, and with the launch of our location intelligence module, pricing became smarter than ever. Today, in 2025, we're faster and stronger than ever. Deployment time has been reduced to just 2 weeks. And we're launching our latest module, Convenience IQ.
Hi everyone, at PriceEasy, our journey has been driven by innovation. In 2024, we combined pricing and location intelligence, and that is how we created intelligent pricing. In 2025, we are combining pricing, location intelligence, and merchandising to create intelligent merchandising and promotions.
From an idea in 2021 to an industry leader in 2025, PriceEasy is more than a platform. It's a promise. One solution. Unlimited possibilities. Every success story is written by its people. And PriceEasy's journey? It's been fueled by passion, resilience, and a team that believed in the impossible. From a 10-person team huddled in a co-working space to 100-plus employees spread across global offices.
So I joined a few months back and PriceEasy entrusted me with a key responsibility. I feel the growth potential here is endless.
I've been here for 3 years and I've seen that we are really good with the execution. We don't just ideate, we execute.
I've been with PriceEasy for past 3 years. It's incredible how fast we are adding products.
I've been working with PriceEasy for about 2 years now, and one thing that I've observed here is our obsession with client satisfaction.
There are only a handful of companies that grow 200% year over year, and I'm glad to be a part of PriceEasy.
Our culture has always been our core. This is PriceEasy, one idea, one team, endless possibilities.